Hi, I am Abhishek Kumar Sharma, working as a Salesforce developer at Cloud Analogy for the past 2 years. Cloud Analogy is one of the leading Salesforce development companies that specializes in Salesforce implementation, Salesforce customization, Salesforce consulting, Salesforce administration, field service lightning, app exchange, app development, and data migration. At Cloud Analogy, we have a team of 150 plus Salesforce certified experts and professionals. We have completed over 200 projects and have around 25 plus certified resources. We also have 6 plus apps on the Salesforce App Exchange. Today, I am going to give you a demo on one of my clients' project which I have done in the property base that allows the user to view the reports in multiple ways. Let me demonstrate to you the report we have to build for one of our property base customers. So here I am going to show you the reports which allow the property base users to view the records and sales in terms of the month. And here is the financial year report that users can see that we have implemented the custom financial year in this report. So I am selecting the financial June 19 to July 19, and here we have added a view button. So after clicking this view button, the date will be shown something like this. If you would like to change the date, then simply click on the edit button that allows you to change the date, and you can choose the new file and add sales here for that. Here is the development section, that is the record that comes with the property base package, and it holds the listing types related to it. So now we are going to analyze each and every development by financial year. Suppose this is a test apartment, which is the apartment name, and we are going to use it. This is the test record which I have created for the demo purpose only. You can see I have selected only 1 July 2019 to 30 June 2020 for the financial year, and rest all the years are coming accordingly, and if any value is there, it is also showing up. Here is the target, and this is the actual section in which these numbers represent the actual sales and target of the month. Here is the sum and grand total of all the sales, and here is the percentage of sales which is increased or decreased in that month. The color coding indicates that if the sales are positive, it will be displayed in green color, and if the sales are negative, then it will be displayed in red color. So this is the report that we have created in the base schema, from where here we can select the year for which we want to see the financial year report. Thank you.